Welcome to the deep dive. So today we're jumping into something that's I think is on a lot of people's minds. You've probably wondered, I know I certainly have. Is AI, just for the tech gurus? Is it this thing that's totally out of reach for, well, for the rest of us?
Yeah, that's a big one. And actually, that's exactly what we're tackling today. Based on some really interesting sources, we're seeing something, well, pretty transformative. We're going to uncover AI jobs that honestly need zero prior tech skills. None.
Zero skills, really?
Yeah, really. Stuff you can start like tomorrow and potentially earn daily income. The whole point is no skills required.
Wow. Okay, because I totally get that fear. I remember being stuck in my old 9 to 6, seeing all the AI news, and just thinking, am I going to be replaced?
Yeah.
That anxiety is real.
It absolutely is. And you listening might be feeling that exact same thing. It's a common worry.
So how do we get from that worry to, well, to actually making money with AI?
That's the bridge we're crossing today. The sources point to 5 specific AI income streams. And the thing to really hold on to is that AI does the heavy lifting. You don't need the tech background.
AI does the heavy lifting. I like the sound of it.
Exactly. So let's break them down. Real opportunities, real income potential, zero tech skills needed upfront.
All right, let's do it. Opportunity number 1. What do we got?
Okay, first up, AI content summarizer.
Content summarizer. Sounds simple enough.
It really is. Think about it. You're saving people hours. Clients are drowning in articles, reports.
Yeah, information overload is real.
Totally. So you use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to boil down that long text into the key points. Quick, concise summaries.
Okay, so you feed the text into the AI.
Right. And then you can offer these as, say, quick research packs. We're seeing people do this on places like Fiverr, even Reddit sometimes.
And what kind of money are we talking?
The sources suggest around maybe $25 per summary. And because the AI is doing the hard part, the actual summarizing, you can do quite a few. Again, no real technical skill needed. The AI does the heavy lifting.
$25 a pop for something AI helps you do quickly. Not bad. Okay, what's next? Number 2.
Number 2, YouTube Shorts Clipper.
Oh, interesting. Like taking long videos and making short clips.
Exactly that. Think podcasts, webinars, long interviews. Creators need short, snappy clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels.
But video editing sounds complicated. Doesn't that need skills?
Normally, yes. But here's the game changer. Tools like Opus Clip, you mentioned it earlier. It's pretty amazing.
Opus Clip, right. How does that work without editing?
Well, you just upload the long video, the AI analyzes it, finds the best, most shareable moments, cuts them, adds captions automatically, even reformats them for vertical viewing.
Seriously. No editing. Just AI cuts and then you upload.
Pretty much. Minimal effort on your part. We saw examples of people
Yeah.
charging like $15 per clip.
$15 per clip.
Yeah, and one case study showed someone making over $300 in about 10 days from maybe 20 clips. Kind of passively. That's earning daily from home right there.
Wow. Okay, that's genuinely impressive. AI doing the creative work too. All right, number 3.
Okay, number 3, AI resume writer.
Solving a big pain point for job seekers.
Definitely. Everyone needs a good resume, but, staring at a blank page, it's tough.
Totally. So how does AI help here? You don't need to be an HR pro.
Nope. You use tools like Resume.ai is one, or even just ChatGPT. You take the client's basic info, their work history, and the AI drafts professional-sounding summaries, bullet points.
So the AI writes the first draft?
Exactly. You then just polish it up, make sure it sounds good, fits the job maybe. You're guiding the AI, not writing from scratch.
And where do you find people who need this?
LinkedIn is a great place, according to the sources. Lots of job seekers there.
Makes sense. And the earnings.
You could charge, say, $20 to $40 per resume, and get this, if it only takes you maybe 20 minutes to refine what the AI generates,
Yeah.
you could potentially knock out quite a few, maybe make $200 over a weekend. Again, AI is doing that heavy lifting, the writing part.
20 minutes for $20, $40. That's a good return. Okay, cool. What's number 4?
Number 4 is becoming an auto voiceover artist.
Auto voiceover. So AI voices.
Yep, especially for things called faceless videos.
Faceless videos. Explain that. Like videos without a person talking on screen.
Exactly. Think explainer videos, listicles, maybe animated stories. The visuals and the narration are key, but there's no speaker on camera.
I've seen loads of those.
Right. They're huge, and the voiceover is crucial. But here's the amazing part. You don't need a microphone. You don't need a quiet room. You don't even need to use your own voice.
Wait, what? How?
You just need the script. You feed that script into an AI voice tool. 11 Labs is a popular one. Murf.ai is another.
11 Labs, Murf.ai. Okay.
And these tools generate incredibly realistic, human-sounding voiceovers from the text. It's kind of mind-blowing how good they are now.
Wow. No recording needed. Just type and click.
Essentially, yeah. And the pay can be really good. The sources mentioned $100 to $150 per voiceover project.
Whoa. That's significant for using an AI tool.
Yeah, because the end product, the voiceover, is valuable. Another great way to earn daily from home, zero specific vocal talent required.
Unbelievable. Okay, we're on to number 5. What's the last one?
The fifth one is becoming a logo and brand kit maker.
Okay, then that sounds like it needs skills.
Ugh.
Design skills, right? Logos, brand kits.
You'd think so. That's what's so cool. Traditionally, yes, but now, no design skills required.
How is that possible?
You use AI tools like Looka, Looka. It's an AI logo generator.
Looka.
You put in some basic info about the client's business name, industry, maybe some style preferences, and the AI generates a whole bunch of professional-looking logo options.
AI designs the logos.
Yeah, and not just logos. It can generate entire brand kits, color palettes, fonts, mock-ups, the whole deal. Your job is basically to run the tool and present the options to the client.
So you're like the facilitator for the AI designer.
Exactly. You're leveraging the AI's design capability. You can find clients easily in places like Facebook groups for small businesses or entrepreneurs.
And what's the pay like for this?
It varies. Maybe $5 for a super simple logo, up to $25 or more for a full brand kit project. But we saw one story. Someone made over $400 in just 3 weeks doing this.
$400 in 3 weeks with AI doing the design work. Wow.
All powered by AI design. It really shifts things, doesn't it?
It really does. So across all 5 of these, summarizers, clippers, resume writers, voiceover artists, logo makers, the pattern is clear.
Yeah, and it brings up a really important point for you listening. Do you actually need those traditional skills anymore? For these kinds of opportunities, the answer seems to be, well, no.
It's not about being the expert coder or the graphic design genius.
Right. It's about having a system, knowing which tool to use for which problem. The AI does the heavy work, the complex stuff.
So the real skill then, the new skill maybe, is learning how to use these AI tools effectively.
Exactly. And how to package them up smartly. How to connect the AI capability to what a client actually needs.
That's the aha moment, isn't it? It's not about fearing AI. It's about figuring out how to use AI, how to make it work for you to generate income.
Spot on. It completely reframes how you can approach earning money in this AI age.
Okay, this has been incredibly eye-opening. If you're listening and thinking, right, I want to try this, where do people start? We mentioned tools, platform.
We did, and we know it's a lot to take in.
Yeah. So to make it easier, we've actually put together some resources based on our research for this deep dive. There's a free job template you can adapt, a pricing guide to give you ideas, and a list of all the tools we mentioned.
That's right. And to get all of that, the template, the guide, the tool list, just head over to our website, thedeepdive.com. Find today's episode in the show notes.
Thedeepdive.com. Look for this episode. All the links will be right there for you.
Everything you need to potentially get started.
Perfect. And, thinking ahead, once you start using these tools, the next logical step is, well, making it even easier, right?
Automation.
Exactly. So stick around for our next deep dive. We're going to explore how you can take these AI income streams and start automating them even further, really scaling things up.
Taking it to the next level should be a good one.
Definitely something to think about. Thanks for tuning in to The Deep Dive.